Good day everyone, you're watching Radio Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to restore WMI command line or Windows Management Instrumentation command line in your Windows. Now by default, this feature is disabled starting January 2024. In case if you want to restore the Windows Management Instrumentation command line, you will have to do a right click on the Start button and then click on Settings. Once you're on the settings, you will have to click on System, and then on the right hand side you will have to scroll down and locate for optional features, and then click on View or Edit optional features. Click on View More and then click on Yes. In the search window you can search for WMI. In case if you don't find anything listed here, you might scroll down until you locate for WMI in this list. In case if you're not able to locate WMI, you may click on See Available Features. Click on it and then scroll down until you locate for WMI. You may go ahead and check the box which says WMI and then click on Add. This will go ahead and add WMIC on your computer. This will take about a minute or two depending on the performance of the computer. Once this is done, you should be able to open WMI command line on your computer. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.